Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, welcome to another Christmas drawing. This time we're going to do some lights. These I would consider quite easy to draw, so let's get started. Grab your marker and we're going to draw basically a line. I'm going to draw mine a little bit wavy, like so, but you can do straight if you want. And I like adding in these little loops. It just sort of makes it look like it's slightly tangled, but if you're just beginning and you're not sure, just do a straight line or a slightly curved line, doesn't really matter. Now, the lights. So we're going to do, the way they attach is on these little rectangles. So from the top of your string, just work your way down, drawing little rectangles all the way. Try not to put them too close together because you'll find that your lights will start to look like they're hitting each other. But just space them out like so, all the way down. And just remember, every rectangle you do, you're going to add a light to it. So try not to do too many if you're not sort of confident. Now for the lights. I'm going to draw mine sort of in the old school way. So it's like an oval with like a pointy end. So you start at one side of your rectangle, come to a point, and then go to the other side of your rectangle, like so. You don't have to copy this shape if you don't want to. You could just draw them as a circle, or if you're feeling really creative, you could do stars. Totally up to you. And you're done. Now, it's time to colour. Now the fun part, you can choose your colours. I'm going to go with traditional, so we'll get red, grey for the tops of the lights, and green. This light green looks good. And then I think, I'll start with the grey. So we're going to colour in the top part of where the lights join. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I'm just going to do mine grey, like so. And now you can go in and colour in lights. So I'm going to alternate. So every second light's going to be a different colour. So I'll go green here, and I sort of like to stick to the same colour rather than picking it up and putting it down. But every second light will be green, and then when I come back through with my red, it means that whatever's left over will be red. That looks great, guys, well done. And we're finished. I'd love to know what you've drawn, so let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.